Many developers claim to be familiar with HTML. However, there's an important reality to confront. Many of us create HTML that functions, but often dismisses semantics entirely. And this isn't merely about being theoretical or traditional. Neglecting semantic HTML negatively impacts your accessibility, SEO, maintainability, and at times even performance. Often unbeknownst to you. In this video, I aim to explain HTML semantics that many developers overlook, its significance, and ways to address it without overhauling your entire application. Let's begin with the primary issue. Everything is a div bool. Headers, a div. Buttons, a div with on-click. Cards, a div within another div. And yes, visually, it may function properly. But semantically, your page becomes incomprehensible for screen readers, search engines, and even future iterations of yourself. For instance, using a rather than a results in keyboard navigability issues, loss of built-in focus features, missing ARIA roles, and missed default browser enhancements. You're duplicating functionality the browser already provides, but poorly. If an element is clickable and executes an action, utilize a button. If it serves as a navigation element, apply an anchor. Stop resisting the platform. The next oversight, misusing headings. Many applications jump directly to or TI because it appears correct. Even worse, headings are often styled divs. Headings are not about aesthetics. They establish document hierarchy. Visualize your page as an outline, one followed by for segments, then for subsections. Screen readers utilize this hierarchy to help users navigate content. Search engines leverage it to comprehend your page's purpose. Skipping heading levels resembles crafting a book that progresses from chapter 1 to chapter 5. It functions but creates disorder. Next is a nuanced yet crucial point. A is more than merely an attractive div. Employ a section solely when the content possesses a logical theme and typically a heading. If it lacks a heading or intrinsic meaning, it's likely just a div. Overusing is equally detrimental as avoiding it. Semantics revolve around intent, not just the usage of stylish tags. Another frequently disregarded aspect, many opt to encase navigation menus in arbitrary containers. Yet, informs assistive technologies. Hey, this content is critical for navigation. This enables screen reader users to directly access it. Search engines can better identify site organization. And no, not every collection of links qualifies as a navi. Legal links in the footer? Probably not. Main navigation menu? Certainly yes. Next up, lists that aren't properly structured. Menus constructed with divs. Feature lists created with spans. Sidebars utilizing arbitrary containers. If it comprises a collection of items, incorporate IE or INEDI. Lists convey relationships among elements. They simplify navigation, enhance styling, and facilitate comprehension programmatically. Using semantics reduces cognitive overhead for both humans and machines. Now, let's address an often misinterpreted tag. An article should be coherent, independently. A blog post, a news item, a product description, a comment. If it can be relocated elsewhere with preserved meaning, it's likely an article. This is significant for SEO, RSS feeds, sharing, and accessibility. Avoid enclosing everything in articles purely because it feels appropriate. Use it deliberately. Another often overlooked element, keygen. Every page should include one main. This assists screen reader users in bypassing repetitious content such as headers and sidebars instantly. One tag. Huge usability improvement. Lastly, semantic forms. Labels disconnected from inputs. Utilizing placeholders in place of labels. Buttons lacking type attributes. Forms are where accessibility falters most quickly. If you don't implement correctly, users relying on assistive technology are essentially left guessing. Implementing semantic forms isn't optional. It's fundamentally necessary. Now here's the main takeaway. Semantic HTML doesn't mean writing more code. It's about crafting less JavaScript, minimizing hacks, reducing bugs, and creating a future-proof UI. Frameworks may rise and fall. Design systems evolve. Yet, the browser will consistently comprehend semantic HTML. If you're a front-end developer seeking to level up, this is among the highest ROI skills you can acquire. If this video prompted you to reevaluate how you write HTML, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in a follow-up where I refactor a real application utilizing semantic HTML, comment semantics. And yes, refrain from diving everything. I'll catch you in the next one.